I'm gonna burp at Rance's face.
Taffeta, your breath smells like strawberries, and it does not stink.
I'm gonna burp at my owner Catropolis's face.
Candlehead, your breath smells like cupcakes, and it does not stink.
That's right. I am not a halitosis cupcake. I do not stink. I don't stink.
I'm gonna burp at Ralph's face.
Vanellope, your burp smells like candy, and it never stinks.
I'm gonna burp at Swizzle's face.
Minty, your breath smells like sour apples, and it does not stink.
My burp smells like green apples, and it does not stink, stink, stink.
Hey, Jubilina, I got a surprise for you.
Gloyd, how much Taco Bell did you eat for lunch today? You know what? I got a surprise for him, and I bet he already knows what it is.
Jubilina, that burp of yours smells like cherries, and your breath never stinks.
It never stinks.
I'm gonna burp at my best friend Crumbleina's face.
Yeah.
Adorabeezel, your burp smells like blue raspberries, and it does not stink.
My burp smells good, and it does not stink.
I'm gonna burp at Felix's face.
Snowanna, your breath smells like grapes, and it never stinks at all.